Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to stop screen mirroring from your MacBook Air to your Samsung Smart TV. Now it took me a while to actually figure out how to actually mirror my MacBook Air onto my Samsung Smart TV, but then it also took me a while on how to actually stop the mirror. So the way that you actually stop the mirror, now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but here we are on my MacBook Air, and then on the upper right hand side you're going to see the mirroring icon. So if you click on this icon here, the way to turn off mirroring is that you actually just click on your Samsung Smart TV again. So click on it again, and there you have it. Now your MacBook Air will stop mirroring onto your Samsung Smart TV. So that took me a while to figure out, guys, and it's really just as simple as that. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.